What's good, traders? Welcome back. Today the markets were on the move. So with that said, let's start with the big picture. Starting with the daily chart. Yesterday the market started showing weakness. Price pushed into highs, couldn't hold, and looked vulnerable. But today, buyers answered, and that changes things. The daily still looks constructive. The bigger uptrend remains intact. That doesn't mean straight up, but it does mean the market earned the benefit of the doubt. Right now, the Qs are trading around 713, and that puts us in an important location. Immediate resistance sits around 713 through 715. If buyers can push through that area, the next upside targets become 719, then potentially back into 720 through 722. That is the major area overhead. Now let's peel back another layer and see what's underneath this move. Moving to the hourly chart, this is where structure starts talking. Yesterday, we had lower highs, pressure, momentum slowing. Today, buyers repaired damage. The Qs reclaimed 705, then reclaimed 710, then reclaimed 711. That's meaningful, because reclaiming levels is one thing, holding them is another. Right now, the line in the sand for me becomes 710. As long as the Qs remain above 710, buyers still have control. But there is one major level standing in front of price, 715. That's the first serious test. If buyers reclaim 715, the door opens for 719, then potentially back into 720 through 722. But if price rejects there, we may rotate back towards 711, then 710, and potentially lower. Now let's move from analysis into execution, dropping into the 5-minute chart. This chart actually looks healthy. Higher lows, push, consolidation, push. That's constructive, but I don't love chasing. If I'm looking long, I want to see 711 through 712 hold. If that happens, my targets become 715, then 719, then 720 through 722. My invalidation becomes below 710. Now let's flip the coin. If buyers push into 713 through 715 and reject, that becomes an interesting short location. Targets become 711, then 710, then 705. Invalidation becomes above 716. So for me, I'm not forcing trades. I'm letting the market prove itself. Reclaim, go with it. Reject, go with it. Let price report for duty first. Drop your thoughts below. Do the Qs continue higher, or are buyers running into resistance? Until the next breakout or fake out, stay sharp.